What's up? It's your boy, #1 Yunzii employee of all time, and I'm back with another wonderful Yunzii keyboard. Today we have one of their best gaming keyboards, one of the best Yunzii gaming keyboards on the market. It's got 8K polling rate, it's got 128K scan rate, it's got rapid trigger, DKS, everything that you could imagine is now available on Yunzii.com, I think is the website probably. Anyways, they also sent us a cute little pink mouse, and because it's a pink keyboard and because pink is my favorite, it's kind of cool that we got a little mouse. That's a little Yunzii C1 wireless mouse, so I'm hoping to test that out. Maybe it'll be a cute little mouse we can use for like the laptop, or maybe contender for main new mouse. It looks kind of goofy. I kind of like it. Like you see like a little button sticking out of the top. That looks kind of funny, although it might be a little small for my hand. We shall see. But they also sent us this cute little kitty pin. Look at the kitty pin. Isn't it adorable? They always be sending us random stuff, man. I love it. I don't know what it is about Yunzii, but they're just so creative over there. Also, I think you can put a little strap on this bad boy. Look at that. Strap up. This is my employee badge. This is my Employee of the Month award from Yunzii. This is my rank in the Yunzii military chain of command. I'm a general first class noodle, reporting for duty. Ow. Oh, look, it's got little clear keycaps. I'm ruining it for myself. Okay, let's just open it. We'll open the mouse in a second. I want the keyboard first. Okay, where art meets next level typing. Love it. Dude, from the box color, this thing looks like it's gonna be mega pink. Ready for it? Here it comes. Is it as beautiful as I'd ever hoped? Oh, it comes with a little pink strap and everything. Yeah, oh yeah. Extra pink keycap, probably the ones that are clear, maybe. I don't know. We got a user manual. We got a quick start guide. Wow. And there she is. Look at it. It's perfect. It's everything a man could ever dream of. Look at how perfect it is. My God. Give me that. Is it aluminum? What is it? I can't tell. Boom. Look at how freaking pink that is. It's hurting my eyes. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Okay, it's not aluminum, but it's extremely heavy. It's got high level tech in this bad boy. Did I say it's military grade? For legal reasons, it's not really military grade, but look at it. Look, clear keycap. It's got a little knob. It's been a while since we got a little knob. There it is. Can you click it? Perfect. There's where your little strap goes on the side. Nice set profile. You have a Windows and a Mac switch. They know me. It's Windows, of course. Personally, for me. Type-C right there. Bluetooth, wired, 2.4. And then same thing on this side. On the back, hello, it's me. We got some rubber. And then 2 height adjustments. So you can go tall, you can go short, whatever you want. And then we also have 3 little indicator lights. All right, what else do we get? We got some extra switches up in here. Yo, we got a pink cable. Let's go. We got to use that. We got some extra switches. These things are looking mega fancy. Look at them switches. That's beautiful. It's got 3 colors on it. That's how you know it's fancy. We got a white keycap and switch puller. Let's go. White's way better with pink. Yeah, good choice on that one. And what is this? We got our dongle, which kind of matches the clear keycap color almost. Cool. That's everything, man. Now we're just gonna install a strap. Shouldn't be that hard. I'll show you guys how to do it. How to do it to them. Okay, so there's little screws, and then those screw into the other screw. So there's a thread on one, and there's a screw on the other. So those will screw together through the holes, and there's holes on each thing. So we're gonna line this up like this. So we'll put this through first. I'm trying to remember how to do this. Now I don't remember all of a sudden. Okay, so it's all finished, and I even lined the screws up all nice. There we go. Does it work? Is it actually a functional strap? I'd say so. It doesn't seem like it's gonna break anytime soon. Cool, we got our little strap. We're strapped up. Okay, now let's check out the mouse. We got our little pink mouse. We got our Yunzii C1. I don't think I've ever reviewed a Yunzii mouse. First Yunzii mouse review. First impressions, what do we get? User manual, Yunzii C1. We get a little power cable, and we get a little mouse. Look at this little guy. Isn't that the most adorable mouse you've ever seen? It's got a respectable weight to it. Oh my God, and it's wrapped in silicone. It's squishy. Whoa. Oh, I don't know if my fingers will hit the keys, but whoa. Make a tall person, make one like 3 times as long, and I'm in. Okay, there's the C1. I mean, there's the clicks. They make slightly different sounds. The right click's louder. And then here's the scroll wheel. Does it click? It does. Okay, no side buttons or anything. It's just like your little... We have a Logitech mouse that's almost like this size that we use for the laptop, and it's about to get replaced because this is the most adorable thing ever. On the back, you have the on-off switch. You have your, I don't know, connecting... What is that button? I don't know. Could be a DPI button. Could be a mode switcher. Probably the mode switcher. And then you have your dongle here. Boom, for your wireless. And then just get a little white charging cable. All right, Yunzii C1. We're gonna play a whole game on that little Yunzii C1 mouse. You best believe it, buddy. That's the hardest thing, believe it or not, to get used to is not a new keyboard, it's a new mouse. It's really hard because when that weighs different, that affects your aim a lot. So that's gonna be interesting because this may be a bit of a problem, but we remain hopeful. So we're just gonna go to the setup and I'm just gonna plug it in, check out the RGB, and I'll see you there in a second. Okay, here we go. We have our beautiful Yunzii keyboard here, pink, beautiful, cool strap, and we have our Yunzii mouse, of course, and it is indeed functional. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Unboxing, wow. Whoa, look at that. All right, it's RGB and it's real bright in here, to be honest. Hey, that's nice. Wait a minute, that's looking good. Oh, I forgot Yunzii has the best color schemes. Look at that. Who else is doing that? Just take a minute to appreciate that one. Snake. That one's so extra, it just might have to do. No, I don't want to stop recording. Oh my god, spacebar is stop recording? Don't do that. Okay, I like the splash, but it would be nice to have RGB on like all the time. Maybe just the classic. I don't know. That's kind of cool. I might do that. Is that too distracting? Oh well. Okay, we're gonna hit add device, RT75, and then we're gonna hit connect. Now we are connected. We got the little Yunzii everything. Okay, what can we do on our new anime waifu keyboard? We got custom keys, magnetic switch settings, select all, 0.1. Okay, full travel, continuous rapid trigger. Trigger again when the key is pressed, 0.005. Anti-accidental trigger mode. This is that stuff we were talking about earlier. Turn that on. Okay. Everything is pretty much max here. What else do we get? Dynamic keystroke, press and click, toggle switch, and snap key. Here's our other settings. Looks like it's already at 8,000 hertz polling rate. Looks good. We got our other different layers. You could do a different layer for each one. You could set up like custom profiles on this thing or whatever. We got some macros we can assign. Looks like you can assign to different keys. So if you know what macros are and you like macros, it's got it. And these are all your different lighting effects. That is the driver for this bad boy. So now we're going to go ahead and play a quick game on that one, shall we? All I can think about is looking at Nicolas Cage right now and asking for maximum support. Man, I love this Yunzii mouse, I tell you what. Can't wait for the furry Angela skin coming soon. The sense. Oh no. Oh my god, what sense is this? Turn down. Turn down for what? This might be a little slow, but this may work for me. My hands are already sweating. What is this? What is this? Oh, my aim is... My aim! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is not a joke! I'm out of here. I need to lock in. There we go. Oh my god, my teammates are them? I can't see. I got a headshot apparently. I'm out of here. I'm right clicking him. Not him, it's him. It's Spider-Man. Where'd he go? I'm so confused. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa!
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Oh. This mouse is so small. Hey, fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Suck my ass. Oh, I wasted my right click. Not good. I'm so trash. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Just left stick aim. Left stick aiming for the win. I thought I had Scarlet Witch there for sure. You know what? This crew is just pissing me off. Okay, we're getting the hang of this. Whoa, whoa! What are you guys doing here?
We are
what is this? Okay, well she's ulting, so I'm dead. Wait a minute.
Wait, they don't see me. Perfect time. No! I ulted. You guys saw me hit that Q in time. Come on, dude. Some. Oh my god, what have I done? Wait. Kinda worked out. What's that? Who was that? Stop standing in a group! That was a good sleep, bro. I took a full nap there. Hey, bro. Nice. What the? It's Furry Angela! Hey, what's up, girl? Hey, how you doing? Think about it. Hold on, think about what you're doing. Stop that. I just wanted to talk, dude. You didn't need to, like, heaven me, bro. Chill. I'm out of here. I thought I was immortal in that form? Am I not? She put me to sleep one too many times. I've had it.
Better, fight better. You don't have to fight alone. We are undefeatable! I'm wounded. I will help.
I have suffered severe damage.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Oh, I missed the sleep. That's awkward. I'm out of here. Ah!
We are undefeatable!
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Shake it up.
Yes, get inspired. Yes, do more damage. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Oh, my aim.
This is your big chance!
I did it to him. I did it to him. Did you see me do it to him? Oh, I'm dead. Dude, we're almost at the end, bro. Come on, we can do this. Come on.
I have some scores to settle.
Yes, capture it. Yes. Oh.
Shake it up!
I'm panicking.
My life energy grows stronger. We are undefeatable!
No. That's bullshit. Oh my god, they're all ulting. This is criminal. I'm going this way. I'm out of here. Is this just a dead end? And I just got everyone killed because I'm not there healing?
These creatures obey me more kings and man. Shake it up!
Wish I had some more healing power than this. Hey bro, what the? Back up, dog.
We are undefeatable!
Maximum!
I'm up here now. I'm up here now. I'm self-healing now. I'm self-healing now. I'm up here now. I put it to sleep now. Come on, you guys can't get any distance from that? I feel like I'm out here making plays. I'm not. I'm just standing out here by myself. I'm playing Jeff. I've had it. I will sweat to win. I will sweat to win.
Reign supreme.
Let me guess. You're...
I will sweat to win. I care not. I care not. Get shit on, kid. You came to the wrong neighborhood today. How often does that Namor get his fucking ult?
Only 60 seconds left.
Come on, baby. This fucking Namor's so annoying. Why am I trying to hit him with a healing bubble? Why am I stuck here? You're good, bro.
We are undefeatable.
I'm stuck on this somehow and it's working for me? I'll take it. No. No, that's bullshit. That wasn't even near me. That's why we're still gonna win. That's why we're still winning, though. That's why we still won, though. That's why we still won, though. Because I got my ult and I will swallow them and throw them the other way. I'll do it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Let's go. My teammates are so cracked.
Another epic victory.
Subscribe for Yunzii Tech Review. Subscribe for Yunzii Tech Review. Smash like, subscribe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was Yunzii RT75 and Yunzii Mouse C100. Quite an amazing pair. I really had an absolute blast playing Marvel Rivals with this thing. It's just a cute little pink keyboard and mouse, so if you like pink, or you like Yunzii, or you just like having nice specs, 8K polling rate, it just felt nice, man. I don't know what else to say. Super responsive, and it's a nice budget option. So if it's within your means and you want to check it out, click the link in the description. Yunzii has some of the coolest keyboards on the planet, man. They got all kinds of really cool stuff. They got some artists on that team, and they just let them do whatever they want, man. And I love that. So, hope to see you for the next Yunzii. And if you haven't seen my last 20 Yunzii videos, then make sure to check those out. I'll leave it that way for you so that you can find it. Peace. Buy it. Make sure to buy it. Isn't that cool? Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so RGB. Okay, bye.